Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use GetStencil's color palette tool for consistent branding. Using GetStencil color palette tool is a great way to ensure consistent branding across all your designs. This tool allows you to save and apply specific brand color easily to all your projects, ensuring that your design remains cohesive and visually aligned with your brand identity. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. and log in to your account. On the left sidebar, you can add the elements in your canvas. From here, select the element that you want to change color. You will see a text color option. Click on it. From here, you will see a color picker appear. Click on it to open the color section panel. Now move your mouse over the image and click to choose the color. Here you can see that the text color has been changed to the background color. If you already know the hex code of your brand color, which is the 6-digit code used in web design, you can manually input these codes into the color picker. If you want to modify or add new color to your palette by using the same color throughout your design, you will create a cohesive visual identity. This helps with brand recognition across different platforms. Since your color palette is saved, you can quickly apply your brand color in future designs, saving time while maintaining brand identity. By using GetStencil's color palette tool, you can ensure that all your design maintains consistent and professional appearance, keeping your branding intact across different channels. With the ability to save and apply custom color palette, GetStencil make it easy to streamline your workflow while maintaining brand consistency. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.